Hello, this is Eddie Elguera. I'm here in Sao Paulo, São Bernardo. I'm so excited to be here, and I'm here, the reason is, for the Christian skateboarders of Brazil. I'm here to encourage you, to let you know that God has great plans as you unite as Christian skateboarders here in Brazil to touch the nation, but not only to touch the nation, to touch the region, to touch the world with your testimonies. God's going to use your testimonies to change lives. I'm so excited to be a part of this. I'm so excited to see the fruit. When I first started in skateboard ministry in 1989, there wasn't very many Christian skateboarders, and I'm excited to see what God has done over the years, and God's even going to continue to do greater things. God bless you. I know you're going to do great and mighty things, and I want to hear great reports of revival that's going to take place through all the skateboarders here in Brazil. God bless you.